Make her talk.
Tell me your story.
Goodness, Zoe.
Tell me what you did. I don't believe you. Talk. Tell me. Tell me. Zoe's camera shy. Stop filming her. Tell me about your story, Zoe. Zoe. Tell me. Tell me what happened. What happened? Tell the camera. Tell Bree.
Hi, Zoe. How was your day? Oh. 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 It's my leg retard. Oh.
How was it? What did you do?
Oh.
How was your day? Tell me.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Zoe. Tell me what happened. Don't be shy. You didn't what? You pooped? That's disgusting. And then you ate it?
You're making her mad, Lauren.
He said what? What did he say? I would be pissed too. Calm down. Calm down, Zoe. Did you fight him? You fought 5 cats?
What? No.
Birds? Oh my gosh. Are you gonna fight me? Are you gonna fight me? I'll fight you.
She's crazy.
I'll fight you. What? 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 You're talking shit. Quit talking shit. Don't try to hide. What?
Zoe. Zoe. Give the camera kisses.
Okay.
She said bye.